Hello everyone, you are once again very welcome to the Crazy Gadget and the world of amazing gadgets and the awesome invention. And the gadget that comes in today's video is very special. It is more effective and perfect in its work than it is amazing to see. So friends, get ready to meet these gadgets one by one. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then subscribe now and set the notifications and hit the bell icon. So let's go towards the first gadget. Number 1. Gross Helmet. Guys, if you are a bike rider, then the most important thing for you is a helmet. Normal helmets only protect you, but in this gadget you get many smart features along with protection. First of all, it is very cool and stylish to look at. In this you get 360 vision, that is, you will be able to see the full view of this helmet through the front as well as your rear. That is, for this you will not have to look in the side mirrors repeatedly. Apart from this, you also get basic information like speed and distance in a smart screen. This helmet comes with noise cancellation along with features of music. This means that you will be able to enjoy direct music and only you have to touch on this helmet to play, pause and forward the music. You will get the battery status of this helmet and other important information through its screen. In this, you get the feature of sound management and Bluetooth connectivity. This is the touchscreen base. So friends, if you have a bike, then you will be able to enjoy your bike ride through this helmet with a lot of safety. Number 2. Laser Packer Pro. Friends, meet this amazing gadget with the help of which you can print whatever you want in your things. Because it is a portable laser printer with the help of which you need to print all things. Select the simple photo in your smartphone and then connect the phone to this device and the object you want to engrave it. Put it in this device and this device will create text or design in that photo on the same object with the help of laser. You can make a drawing or logo in almost any material. Being made with laser, the things made from it are absolutely perfect and it is of compact size with the help of which you can fold it and carry it anywhere with you easily. Number 3. Spark Headphone. Friends, earphone is one thing that we use every day. Like, we sometimes listen to music or watch movies and earphones are very useful when talking on calls. These earphones made of high quality are quite durable. You will be able to use them easily while exercising or doing any work. Talking about this sound quality, it is made of high quality sound bass. Friends, the most important thing about this is that this earphone glows and in this you get the lighting mode of the type. So friends, if you have a bike or a bicycle, then through it you can increase your visibility considerably at night, which gives you a different look. Number 4. Mirai Power Clip. Friends, we all use the smartphone too much and many times the battery of the smartphone runs out when it is very much needed. It is not possible to always keep a power bank with you. So guys, in such a situation, you can use this mini power bank because its size is so large that you can carry it easily in your pocket. If you want, you can also use it with the key of your car through which this power bank will always be with you. Friends, if you are also very busy in your work, then this mini power bank will prove to be very helpful in your time of need. Number 5. Marvel Legends Series Infinity Gauntlet. Guys, if you are also a fan of superheroes or you like action movies like Avengers, then this gadget you might like. It is designed to be Thanos, the most dangerous weapon shown in the Avenger movie. Guys, this is an electronic gauntlet in which you will get all the infinity stones which also glow. And not only that, when you wear it and move your finger, you also get to hear some amazing sound effect which is quite amazing and realistic. If you are a big fan of Avenger movie, then you love this gadget very much. So friends, the link of all these gadgets is given below in the description box. If you want to buy, you can buy from there. So please like the video as well as subscribe to the channel and set the notifications so that such fun gadgets can be seen you first. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.